Hi guys! For today, I want to introduce a new but promising company which is surfacing around Philippine ESL platforms these days. I checked, studied, and verified some reviews about this company, and yeah, it's been providing affirmative feedbacks from teachers who've been working here. Since it's hiring lots of teachers now, let me talk about it. We don't know, you might be qualified. By the way, I'm Miss Adele. I'm a licensed professional teacher, an experienced ESL trainer, and currently the general manager of an online company. The company that I'm talking about is called Allright English. Allright English is a US-based online education company that specializes in teaching English to European students from ages 3 to 15. The teaching material is based around the Cambridge Starters, Movers, and Flyers curriculum, which is focusing more on how children develop language skills. This kind of curriculum is also designed to make learning English fun, motivating, and build students' confidence for future success in English. Aside from English topics, it also offers other topics such as Minecraft, cooking, LOL dolls, and animals. All the classes are conducted on an exclusive teaching platform where students can enjoy private 25 or 55-minute lessons. Students can also join a variety of group conversation classes about topics that interest them. It's been operational in over 30 countries across Europe and are rapidly expanding their student and teacher bases. Now let's go into the details. Allright English has flexible working hours. Work where you want and when you want. Lessons are fun and interactive with their own state-of-the-art software and lesson materials. No experience required. They provide full training before you start, plus free ongoing training with experienced teachers. Non-native? No problem. They are proud to have a diverse teaching team and accept teachers from all over the world. They have bi-weekly payment schedule and gives monthly bonuses of up to 5% of your salary. Their pay rate is from $5 to $15 per hour. So let's proceed to Allright requirements. So if you want to be part of their teaching team, you must have a passion for working with children and a willingness to learn new skills, at least a C1 in English. Level C1 corresponds to users who can express themselves fluently and spontaneously. They can use language flexibly and effectively for all purposes. Teaching hour requirement is at least 15 hours per week, especially during peak hours. That's from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Mondays to Fridays and 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. on weekends. A bachelor's degree in education or similar, or if you're not a bachelor's degree holder, you must have a teaching certificate such as TESOL, TESL, TEFL, CELTA, or other. Russian, Polish, Italian, or Spanish language skills are preferred but not required. So let's move on to the hiring process. First, you have to submit your application to the provided site here. I'll be putting this link on the description box below. If you click the link, it will direct you into the application form. So let's try to see it. So once you click the link that I provided, it will direct you in here sa application form na to. So you have to put your name here. Okay, example, that's your name and your for example, this is your last name and your email address. Okay, ilagay mo rin yung phone number here. Alright, ang nationality ng passport mo, okay, ay Filipino. So, you choose Filipino here. So, ano yung mga language? Anong language mo? So, definitely English yan. What are your qualifications? So, madami ka dito, Kung bachelor's degree holder ka, tapos bachelor's degree holder ka, may master's ka, meron ka din TEFL, alright, and I also have CELTA. So, pwede mo silang i-click, no, kung meron kang lahat ng to. Pero kapag bachelor's degree holder ka lang, no, alisin mo yung mga yan, just click the bachelor's degree. Pero kapag undergrad ka pa lang, no, in progress, you may click this one. Tapos, experience in teaching. So, yung mga choices natin from less than 1 year to 5 or more years. Okay? So, since 5 or more years ako, I will click that one. Pero kapag ang experience mo ay just less than a year, then you may click that one also. And then you have to put your Skype account here. Tapos, you upload, no, yung CV mo. Yeah, this is CV, ha? They're asking for CV. It's not resume. So, you have to know the difference between CV and a resume. And then, you upload your diploma also as a proof, no, na nag-graduate ka nga talaga ng college. And then, after filling out all the informations needed, you may already click apply. Okay? After you submit your application, you will get a response within a day or two, no? So the next part is to have the 10-minute video interview. In the video interview, teachers will answer a few questions about their experience and background, and you have to do a 5-minute demo lesson. For the 5-minute demo portion, you have to imagine that you are having a lesson with a 7-year-old student that is a beginner or elementary level. You will need to record a 5-minute demo lesson using your own plan and materials. If you passed the 10-minute video interview, then you will have a short training course. You have to attend a self-paced training to prepare for your new job. And then after the short training course, you have to meet the HR manager and you could already start teaching. There you go, teachers. Habang nag-uumpisa pa lang silang mag-hire ng mga Filipino teachers, grab this opportunity na. Kasi kapag super dami na ng applications, tumataas din ang kanilang qualifications at dadami ang mga requirements. So what are you waiting for? Apply na. Good luck, everyone. Have a nice day. If you like videos about ESL companies, ESL hiring, English lessons, and ESL teaching tips and strategies, then my channel is the right venue for you. Click the subscribe button, like my videos, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you will get notified when I upload new videos. For queries, you may send your message on the email address I provided.